Game 2 of the NL Division Series from D.C. The Nationals trying to even up their best-of-5 series with the Cubs, and Anthony Rendon would give John Lester some trouble in the very first inning.
And a swing and a fly ball sliced to the right field corner. Back is Zobrist, way back. It is gone. Goodbye. And for the first time in this National League Division Series, the Nationals on the scoreboard and have the lead.
And he's just launched to right field. Gone! Anthony Rizzo with a 2-run shot, and it's a 3-1 Chicago lead.
That railing is behind the fence. I believe that the fans were close enough to the railing.
That's a home run.
That ball's going to hit the railing. That's a home run. There's the circle.
2 balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. And Lester strikes him out with the bases loaded. What a big pitch by the guy making his 20th postseason start.
3-1 to Harper. The pitch. Swing and a long drive. Deep to right. Going. Gone. Goodbye. He has done it. He has changed the game of the night with one swing of his bats. Bang. Zoom. Go the fireworks. The pitch to Zim. Swing at a high fly ball. Zobrist back at the warning track. At the wall. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Goodbye. It's a 3-run homer for Ryan Zimmerman. And the Nationals have put 5 runs on the board here in the bottom of the 8th inning.
The Nationals knock off the Cubs 6-3. So Washington does even up this 5-game series at 1 game apiece. Oliver Perez records 2 outs to get his first playoff victory since back in 2006, and all 9 runs scored in this contest come via the homer.